guys, welcome to Airplane 2, and we're already on a vacation, and I got invitation from the goddamn President Joe Biden. Yes, Joe Biden, of course, yay, for sure, little guy, for like, yay, my worst nightmare. Yes, you are my worst nightmare, and you're the one who's in my nightmare, so, yeah. I'm so sorry, guys. I am so sorry. Well, yay, we're in the airplane, and there's passengers, and we got invitation from the president. I don't know why, because he really wants to see me, so, let's give him the benefit of the best, I guess. Passenger, okay, blah, 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 passenger. Hello, everyone, Pilot Kaylee. Wait. I remember you in the last video, Pilot Kaylee. You like, you're my mom and like in the airplane 4, right? Oh, this is not my seat, okay, guys, I win for 2 rounds, so follow my step. Okay, Jesus Christ, I don't... Okay, dude, if you really see the future, I could just, like, follow your rules so I can survive and, don't take a shit. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 919. You heard it right. The president will like to celebrate the personality with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. Oh, did really I? Hey viewers, you would say probably, Combasego Gaming, do you play Airplane 1 yet? No, I don't play Airplane 1 yet. It kicked me out in the game again. It closes the game. Oh my Jesus Christ, I have to reload again so I can do this with shit again. I guess we got 2 passengers. Hey mom, you're gonna leave me with the death. Holy frick, he's on french fries. I don't really know. Which is the too many one? There's no votes yet. When are we gonna go? I really want to go, man. Ooh, go in there. Go in there. I really want to go. Come on. Only 9 seconds left. Oh my god. Well, there it is. There they are. There they go. Don't get out.
I think atin ako na si Rose pinanawag ko hindi ay.
Yes.
Ay,
now get out. Whoa. Friend! Bro, my friend is here! Oh my god, my friend is here! Join me. Bro, my friend is here! Join me. Oh my god, it's lagging again. Can I like...
Sorry, kuya.
Go. We're lagging. This is where we stand from and did not give a shit about it. Okay, we are to go. I got my best friend and I'm gonna tell him I'm recording and yeah, sure. Knock it out. I am recording. Wanna join me? Na,
Ano ka?
nothing. Nag-video lang. Wanna join me? What? Where's my seat? Oh, there it is. What? What are you gonna say?
Hiya po nanti eh.
Okay, we got my friend, a bacon, and today we're gonna sit in here. I really have my video checking out, so I'm so sorry, friend. We are on a passenger. Man, I would have my goddamn glasses right now. It's vacation time and I don't really have my glasses on. I really only have one of my glasses, but it's okay. We're not on an island, so yeah, it's pretty good. We're not in a cruise ship, so yeah, it's an airplane. Alright, enough chatting. Alright, Mom. If you say so. If you want to kill us. Oh my god, I'm gonna call 911. Okay, shut up. Please find a seat has a golden label on your name on it. Here's my name. I'll go sit on it. Man, I really wish my seat was there in my friend, bro. That looking Roblox guy. Airplane. Oh no, what is going on? Oh my god. Oh my god, we just do a barrel roll, bro. This plane is insane. Please sit in the chair. Okay, we're gonna sit in the chair, of course. Thank you for your cooperation. What a nice view, dude. I am just going... Okay, sure. Hello, friend. Yeah, this is my friend, by the way. I invited him, and yeah, we're gonna explore this island a little bit, and we're gonna do some... I have informed the agent is waiting for you to the next room. Find him for the further instructions. Please, have a seat. Me? Me? Welcome to the press. They are gay. Bro, what did you say for me? We're not gay. Everyone. Oh yeah, and totally me. For sure. Follow me to the next room. Oh wait, look. The guy. We're all around, boys. Oh my goodness, Lord! I'm gonna spill these cups. Oh. Let's break the cups. Let's break the cups. Let's break the cups. I don't care because I don't follow my rules. Come on, guys. We destroy the kick the goddamn glass. Please do everything. Say we cannot kind of trouble in the airplane. Well, I want trouble. That's all. Blah 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 blah. Smirk smirk. I want to destroy this airplane one immediately because I am evil. Work smirk, I don't care. I want to destroy this. Yes! Oh no, I'm so sorry. I don't care. I don't care. I'm happy. I'm happy. I am happy. I am happy. I am happy. You clean it. I am happy. You clean it. Well, it's work smirk. I don't care. Clean it, lady. Okay, I'll pick up the crumbs for sure. Great, it's clean. I want it. dirty. I want it dirty. I want it dirty. I want it dirty. Yes! I want the plane to be dirty, boy! I'm so sorry. It's okay. It's okay. I want a seat here. That guy is lighting. Build that brick wall! What? Bro, you're mean! Wait, what? Bro, I'm sorry. It's the habit. Dang! Dang! He's mad at me. He's mad at me. Spilling the... Yep. I'm going to jail. I'm going to jail. I'm going to jail. Oh my god, I'm going to... Okay, friend, we're just gonna see it. The food is not ready. You mean you bring us here for not cooking us any food? We're the goddamn visitors, dude. We treated you like 2 million. It's Donald Trump. I'm dead. I'm dead. Why? He's angry. He's angry. Why he's angry? Well, very quick, I'm throwing you out. Uh-oh. Chill, bro. No, my friend left me. Go! 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 You got this. You got this, bro. My friend forced me to cook something in the plane. What a bitch. Bro, what the fuck? Are you ready? Time to cook. The soup needs apple. You need apple! 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 You need apple! Dude, find the apple! Go! Apple! Bro, my friend is about to get kicked out in the plane. Apple, yes! Woo! The soup needs potato. Oh, potato, 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 potato! Go, 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 go! Potato, potato! Grapes. Grapes, there, go quickly, yes! The soup needs fish. Oh, fish, right in the freezer, yeah, the freezer. Oh my god, I'm being a bitch. Bro, go! Bro, he wants to kick you out. The soup needs eggs. Eggs, they're eggs! It's eggs right over there! Bro, food is ready! Yay! Yay! Whoa, my friend didn't get kicked out in the plane, bro. Yay, great job, Fana. Your soup is got to be delicious. Your soup is gotta be delicious. Let's see. He's dead. He's dead! He didn't make it. Why I die? You didn't sit. You didn't sit. Bro, Bro, the president killed my friend! No! You didn't... My bad. Bro, this guy is a total evil, man. Bro, single? For single? Yes, I'm single too. He should be meeting again at the principal's suit. No, you just... No, we don't like this. The president literally just killed my friend. Bro, that guy's toxic. Where is the president? I want to talk to him. Why did he kill my friends? Open this goddamn door now. You killed my freaking friend. You're gonna pay for that, you freaking monster. Why did you kill my friend, huh? Why? My friend died. Whoa. We're going to play Fortnite. 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 Oh, now you must figure the code. Luck hackers. Wait, whoa. Bro, this plane is trying to catch us. I don't know what to do. Oh, what is happening? I am being a bitch. I am literally confused. All we have to do, yeah, there, and, there, and, bro, stop there. Is that good? Is that good? It's red. It's red. Bro, it's red. It's red. It's red. It's blue. Yeah, it says blue. Yeah, it says blue, so it's probably blue. I don't really know what's going on my mind, but I am getting tortured and my friend just got killed in the plane. I am so sorry, bro. He just got kicked out from the plane. Bro, when it... Oh, God. Whoa. We really need to work in that code. Dang, he's still angry for spilling the goddamn water. I shouldn't have spilled the water, man. Oh, here it is. What pilot, bro? Sure. We meet again, President. Who the hell cares? Bro, somebody's watching the President right now. That is creepy as heck. I had to get everything ready. Get everything to what? Kill us? Kill us because you kill our friend for like, this is literally for fault. He's mad because I spilled the water. I am so goddamn betrayed right now. Sorry I did the emote. Liar. He's a liar. I found the keys. Where the hell did you find the keys? Great. Let's open the door then. Okay, I'll go. Holy frick! Bro, we're in the bedroom now. We can watch some fucking Peppa Pig. Open the TV. Open the TV. Open the TV. I wanna watch Peppa Pig. 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 Bouncing in the floor. One Roblox player. Bouncing in the floor. My friend died. What Siri? Hey Siri. Turn on Netflix, Siri. Yes. Let's watch Squid. No. Squid Game. Let's watch Squid Game. Let's watch Squid Game. Bro, this plane's getting boring. Holy frick, a demon? We're really dead now. We're really dead now. Fire! We need to run! Fire! Fire! Oh my god, we're really dead now! Holy fig! It's fire, bro! Oh my god, it's fire, bro. Wait a minute, bro. The spilled glass. Holy crap, it got freaking... Oh my god, is the fire still coming? Oh my god, I got freaking... No, I want to get out. I want to get out. I want to get out. We're still here. Oh my god, dude. Dude, this... Oh no. It's a demon. It's a demon. Wants to kill us. Only the 3 live. Yep. And we're toast. And we're I'm dead. Okay, guys. I hope you. Yeah, sure. Yes, I am back to the airport. I'm back. Well, guys, if you want us. Well, guys, if you want. What do you have to say? What do you have to say in the... What do you have to say in the video? Before I end it. Before I end it. What do you have to say, my friend? Big fan. I'll put you some videos. I'll put you some of my videos. Friend. I'll put you some of my videos. Okay, but say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.